guys, welcome back to Uncharted Destiny. You might notice that things look a little bit different in here, and that's because we are coming close to completion. Most of the building projects are done, most of the major decorating components like the cushions and the window treatments are up for the most part. There's still some finishing touches I want to do, and now what I've moved on to is organization. And in doing so, I've kind of created a few more projects for myself, but they are projects that I think are going to work out really well in the long run. So the next one that I'm going to do is a pull-out pantry for the cabinet that's right next to my stove. Let me show you what I mean. So I have this really tall, deep cabinet here that I would like to put a pull-out pantry shelf configuration in. So I already got some metal sliders that are used for drawers typically, and I am going to engineer a pantry shelf that fits in that cabinet. So stay tuned because that's what's on the agenda for today. Alright, so I think what I'm going to be able to do is use some of this dumpster wood, which is wood that was supposed to be thrown out, and use it to make my shelves. It looks like I can fit 3 in the bottom and maybe 2 as we go higher up to accommodate this electrical box and the latch, but we'll see once we get to building it. So stay tuned. I could not for the life of me figure out why this thing was so warped looking, and it's because I drilled something into the wrong hole. So that's how today is going. Now we have to fix it. Alright guys, moment of truth. Let's see if it fits. It fits! Alright, next thing we gotta do is install the slides and paint this bad boy, and that'll be that. Hey guys, welcome back. The project of the day today is trying to install my slide out pantry into my cabinet, and the issue that I am having is it doesn't fit. So it fits just fine in the cabinet, but it's between the tracks that it's a little bit snug. This one's kind of in a perfect position, but the spacer that was here was a little bit too wide, so I'm gonna try to shave this down using my jigsaw. As you can see, I have some battle wounds from working on it yesterday, but that is what we will be doing today, so stay tuned. Alright, moment of truth. We're gonna see if this thing fits on its slides. I don't know if it will, but we'll see. Are you guys seeing this? It works! I'm so excited right now. I think I'm just gonna keep doing this for a few more minutes. Oh my god! I can't believe I lined it up right with the skates on the first try. Guys, this is incredible. Okay, so now that this was lined up properly, I'm supposed to install some more screws into the skates to make sure that it stays where it belongs, but I am so happy right now. This is the last building project. Now we get to the organizational projects and stocking this thing. So I'm going to put the door back on my cabinet and put those other screws in, and then this project will be done. Alright, I just wanted to show you the final product one more time because I'm really way too excited about this. And there you have it, guys. Alright, so a quick debrief about the built-in cabinet project. It was not too hard. The thing that made it a little bit harder was that I've been trying to use this basically reclaimed dumpster wood to do all my projects. And this was the last of it, so this is like the bottom of the barrel warped dumpster wood, so it's a little funky in certain places, but I think that it turned out pretty well, especially for stuff that was going to be thrown in the trash. So I think the only money that I actually spent on it was I bought some screws and I bought those skates, and the skates were the only expensive part. They were $20 for the 24-inch long skates, and when I was looking online, it was like $20 for like a tiny little wire basket shelf thing. So I think I saved a ton of money. This kind of thing, if you actually bought it, it's like over $100. So it's a great upgrade to my little camper, and it's going to make using that space, that deep, tall space, so much easier. So thanks for joining me, and I hope you'll join me for the next video. Bye, guys.